People, so this video is special because there is this brand called Jarly that was cute enough to send us such a huge hamper, and it's like our Christmas came early for us and it feels so special. And Ayush, you tasted this chocolate brownie. How did you like it?
It's like being in heaven.
Okay, open it. Let's see it again.
I cannot even open it.
Okay, careful, Raja. Basically, there's a chocolate, a small little chocolate cake in it, and since I don't know much of editing, I don't know what to do. But my kid, which one of the 3 jars would you want to eat first? Okay, so this is what you'd like to eat. So take a spoon, and that's what, this is the love of my life. So smile, you know, it's that's what it is, like 3:30 in the afternoon, but this is so special. I just can't thank you folk enough. Yeah, it's just so special. So really, yeah, people check this brand out. It's called Jarly, and you can find it in in Ratnadeep. And of course, I'm from Hyderabad, so this feels so special. Thank you, Jarly. I mean, I hardly expected to win such a big hamper, so this feels so special. Thank you. Ayush, how does it taste?
So good, I feel like I'm in heaven.
Okay, so you eat the whole thing. Okay. Thanks for watching, people, and please subscribe.